everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1971 Chevelle convertible. Beautiful car, guys. Bought this at a show down in Tennessee, but it's actually an Alabama car. I'm gonna have to apologize about the pollen right now, guys. We get about 10 seconds outside and everything's covered in pollen, so the car, you can see it on it already. But beautiful car. I bought this at a show down in Tennessee. Guy I bought it from actually owned a body shop. He did a frame-off rotisserie restoration to this car 5 years ago. There's 3,700 miles on the car since it's been done, and it is beautiful. Love the color. He said it's actually a stock Dupont color. It's chromabase red pearl, which is just pretty. Yeah, you can see the doggone pollen already, guys. Gorgeous color. It's red interior. He said it's actually a 70. He's got 70 seat cover. In 71, I guess they didn't have a red interior, and he wanted that red. So it's actually got 1970 seat covers on it, so he could have that red. But gorgeous car, man. The paint on this car is beautiful. It's got a healthy big block in it. 454. It's got a 6-speed manual transmission out of a new modern Camaro. It's got the halo headlights in it. Beautiful paint, guys. Chrome and stainless is very nice. Again, 3,700 miles on the build, and like I say, just pretty car. It's got the functional cowl hood. It does work. Yeah, you can see that pollen. It's crazy. I have the wind's blowing, so it's just pollen everywhere. Buckets, custom console. It's got a custom sound system in it. We'll kind of show you that. New black convertible top. He did give us a new power top motor for it. This one's working a little slow, so we're going to have to replace that. But I thought, guys, about putting some Ghost SS stripes on this car, but man, the paint's so pretty, I'm just gonna leave it alone. But I thought that would have been really slick on this car. And that's just the pollen, guys. It's terrible. I left this on there. That's the name of his body shop. His phone number does go with the let's just come off. I do have his contact information. Whoever buys a car, his contact information will go with it. If you don't like his little stickers on the bumper there, they come right off. Little razor blade, they'll come right off. And my boys didn't do such a good job of wiping this thing down. Killer car, man. Car's got a great look. Brand new 18 and 20 inch US mags. You can see it's got 4-wheel disc brakes, all new rubber all the way around it. Pretty car. Again, just a mild built 454. He said it's nothing crazy, pretty much standard rebuild, little bit of a cam to it. 4-barrel aluminum intake, stock exhaust manifolds. It's power steering. It does have tubular control arms, aftermarket tubular front control arms on it. Power 4-wheel disc brakes, vintage AC. Air does blow cold. You can see it's got the chrome air cleaner and valve covers. He put an overflow tank on it. Of course, they didn't have those. They really just actually poured out onto the ground, but he put an overflow tank on it. The cowl hood does work. Slick car. Yeah, I just thought a set of, like I say, ghost flames, not flames, ghost stripes, SS stripes on the hood and deck lid would have been slick, but the guys kind of talked me out of it, said leave it alone. Definitely replace the door handles and mirrors, new door rubbers. See, the doors are nice and clean. New carpet, all new seat covers, they've been refoamed and everything. Buckets, custom console, it's got power windows, sports steering wheel. It's got the power window, all LED lighting, which is really cool at night. I don't know if you can see it on the back of that console, it actually lights up, everything's all LED. It is a power top. Again, 6-speed manual transmission. It's got an aftermarket sound system in it. It's got all Dakota analog gauges. They light up red. 3-inch Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's a 12-bolt 355 limited slip rear end with CPP tubular control arms. You can see it's got a speaker here in the trunk. This is the bag, the boot for the top. Here's he got us a new power top motor. Yeah, that's the boot for that goes over the top. Yep, new red boot. That's brand new, still in the bag. These doggone Chevelle convertibles, I mean, everything's getting tough to get, but man, these things are just impossible to find. Like I say, the car's all body color underneath. Yeah, sorry about that doggone pollen, man. We literally get about 5 minutes out here right now, and then everything's covered in it. See it right there? Yeah, this car is pretty. And again, not something easy for me to get my hands on anymore. What's this pollen does? Yeah, no big monster cam or anything. AC blows cold. Car runs and drives excellent. You see the flapper hood does work. You see the halo lights. I don't know if it's daylight out, but the halo lights automatically come on. They're pretty cool. $37.64 on your odometer. All your gauges are working. Parking brake does work. Up a little bit. You can see the top's brand new. We'll replace that motor. It's got the glass rear window in there. That's good, Jordan. See the rack's all new. Power windows.
There is no.
Those all work. It's got the newer vintage gauges, or not gauges. Newer vintage heater controls. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you can always get a notification on every time I post a new video, guys. That is a pretty son of a gun. guys.